Dear people, watching and listening, Assalamu alaikum. Kindly like and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please support my channel by contributing to my Patreon account so that I can continue making the audiobook series. Tipu Sultan, who was the ruler of the kingdom of Mysore in South India, during his reign used to write down his dreams. They were penned down by Tipu himself in Persian language dating from 1785 to 1798. The penned down dreams are 37 in total. After the fall of Seringapatam in 1799, the manuscript was discovered by Lieutenant Colonel William Kirkpatrick after a thorough search of his bedchamber during the ransack of Tipu's palace. The manuscript was so well hidden that even Tipu Sultan's confidant Munshihabibullah had never seen it before. The letters have been translated into English by Dr. Mahmood Hussain, former Minister of Education and Professor of History in the University of Karachi, Pakistan. Dream 27. The Hajj. On the 29th of the month Razi, corresponding to the 27th of Shaban 1224, from the birth of Muhammad, at Tanjangor, where I had gone for shikar and had ordered the construction of a fort to be named Allahabad, early in the morning I had a dream. It seemed I had gone for Hajj. When I was entering the sanctuary of the Kaaba, a respectable and distinguished gentleman from among the Arabs came and took me into the Kaaba and indicated to me how I should offer my prayers. I followed his instructions in saying my prayers. Then he asked me to kiss the black stone. The black stone was affixed to a big square towards the lower side of the wall. I felt very happy at the time of kissing the stone, and I did it with the greatest reverence. Inside the sanctuary, where there was not much room, there was a box. The gentleman said that the turban which was kept there had been conferred on me by God, and he asked me to grasp it. He then took out the turban from the box and handed it over to me. I seized one end of the turban, and he seized the other, and together we unfolded it and found it laid with gold. It was an exquisite piece of craftsmanship. After having a look at it, I refolded the turban with care and put it in the box and carried it with me. Then I came out. The venerable gentleman told me that there was an idol at some distance which I ought to insult, and at which I ought to throw stones. In accordance with his instructions, I threw stones at it. Then I proceeded to visit certain shrines. In the meantime, I awoke. End of Dream 27.